We are at my newest listing at 512 Park Avenue in Grant Park, and this house is right on the park. So whenever you look out, you're seeing the beautiful greenery here, and this home has actually been completely rebuilt. So built on the original 1890 foundation, but really completely redone around 2005, 2006, and turned into an Earthcraft certified, super highly efficient, amazing home that still feels like it's the original property. So just off the entryway, we have this amazing library. It's got built-in bookcases, floor to ceiling, surrounding the room. It's a perfect place to be able to have an office or relaxation space. We're now in the living room, and this is such a special space. First of all, you have 12-foot ceilings, and you have windows that run basically floor to ceiling, so it's flooded with beautiful natural light with a view out into the porch and into the park. Right off of this room, you have the dining room area with a leaded glass window that opens up into the kitchen. Also on this level, you have the primary suite. So it's the first of 4 bedrooms, and it has an amazing bathroom with double sinks, separate shower, and a clawfoot tub, as well as a sauna. Now we're in the sunroom, which is a perfect spot to be able to use as an office or a playroom or a great place to read. It's full of windows, has this vaulted cypress ceiling, and it has a gorgeous view to the backyard. This room is right off of the bonus space off of the kitchen, which is perfect for casual dining or a den, and it has handmade Italian tiles for the floor. We are in the kitchen, which is custom-made cabinetry made of North Carolina black walnut. The countertops are soapstone and are reclaimed from Dekalb Schools Science tables. And then you have this beautiful breakfast bar, which is a perfect spot to hang out while people are cooking, perfect for entertaining. We're now upstairs, and this is a perfect spot with a morning bar or a wet bar, depending on what time of day you're looking at. You could easily add a deck over here with the door access. And you've got 3 full bedrooms plus 1.5 baths up here to be able to have all the space that you could possibly need. This house is full of surprises. So inside this little door is a perfect little play area for kids, or you can use it as storage. We're now in the backyard, and you can see that we have a beautiful area that's a perfect courtyard space, a flagstone patio underneath a stunning magnolia, a carriage building that's perfect for a possible small garage, a storage shed, and this also has the original greenhouse. It already has power, it has gas, and it has water. It would make a perfect spot for an office or an accessory dwelling unit. So you know this is my favorite spot in the house. This porch is amazing. It's covered, it's really deep, it's perfect for sitting, being able to eat, and watching the park across the street. It is the perfect spot.